Today is Wednesday, November 5, 2025, 6:58 p.m. Kapuya lagi. Just had my this afternoon. Indoor lang. Ay, mali. Menu dapat. Menu. Then history. Right. So that's it. Today 18.1 kilometers. That is 45 minutes bike. Kahapon nag 32 minutes lang ta. So today summary. Okay. So 31 maximum, 24 average. Average heart rate na po 139, 162 max. Cadence, wala pa tayo power kay wala pa tayo naka power meter atong bike. Wala budget. Budget ang lagyan ko. Yep. Done. Just having my daily video. Yesterday nakalas na kong ride September 25. Yesterday nag-bike kong 5:15, today bike kong 6:04. Supposedly itong session today is in the morning natay dapat strengthening, pero wala pa ako skip pa na ako strengthening because ngita pa og gym. Kung asa ko pwede mag enroll, so that would be once a week, every week, Tuesday. So morning na siya, tapos early morning dapat kay mag-work pa man ta by 8:30 to 9. So kita pa tag gym, so naka-inquire na ta kanang need lang ko more research on workouts for strengthening workouts. Pero kung kaya ra there is balay, kita lang ko palit na lang kong equipments, dili na ako sa balay magkuan workout, pwede lang. So that's it for today, day 2 of 118 days. Go ahead.